My name is Amanda Gomez, and I'm going to be talking to you about how I incorporate gaming into my classroom. Gamification can sometimes be a controversial topic. We see students gaming nearly every day and know that after school there are many students that put in hours of their time into gaming. So how can we use this to our advantage in the classroom? According to a gamification blog titled Gaming in Education by Elliot Bristow, gamification focuses on using game thinking and game mechanics to turn an otherwise ordinary task into something engaging and perhaps even competitive. It involves implementing methods used in the development of games, but applying them to real-world scenarios such as a classroom. From the TED video titled Gaming Can Make a Better World, video game producer Jane McCognall explains that we actually need more gaming. Specifically, she states, "I believe that if we want to survive the next century on this planet, we need to increase the total hours of gameplay to 21 billion hours of gameplay per week." She goes on to say that gamers who play World of Warcraft, for example, show signs of urgent optimism, social fabric, blissful productivity, and have epic meaning. Overall, gamers whom challenge themselves when playing grow so that they may likely be able to handle life's challenges outside the game. Gaming may also teach my students how to take turns, work as a team, collaborate, work together, and of course to think and work quickly. The website I visit to play this game is learninggamesforkids.com. Here, we see that the website provides numerous games that may contribute to furthering my students' education. They have games that help my students practice their spelling and typing, practice their states, practice their colors, and of course practice their vocabulary. Many of these games will run on mobile devices with the Vocabulary Spelling City app. Students can study and learn their word lists using vocabulary and spelling learning activities and games. They can even take final or practice spelling and vocabulary tests right on this engaging site. Premium games and automated student recording keeping are available to premium members. One of the games in which I play free of charge in my classroom is called Hangman. We usually play this game together. Since my students are still learning how to spell, I believe that Hangman is a great way for my students to build their vocabulary and work on their spelling in a fun and engaging way. Once the word is written out and guessed, the game puts the word in a sentence so that my students see the word and understand the context. I give each of my students one turn to guess a letter. The students who guess the correct word wins the game for all of us. This is a game that creates competition while keeping my students encouraged and knowing that we are all working together. Games that allow us to think together definitely help us with our collaboration skills while building our vocabulary. It creates innocent yet competitive fun, and my students come to school excited to have fun while learning. Thanks for listening.